Second invasion, British, 1762 to 1764 with destroyers. Third, Spanish and American War in 1898. American did Intramuros to Spaniards, and Pito Spaniards, $20 million. That is Independence Day, 1898 to 1904. That is American time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is my Latigo? Wait. Oh, okay. The first city council in 1599. Now, government office already. And the first Malacanang Palace, right building, 1599 also. Now, government office also.
Careful with the car.
The second oldest church, Marina Cathedral. The first church in 1571, Nipa and bamboo, because it's time destroyed.
May kalesa nun sa Pangasinan, ano?
Wala na.
Wala na, ano na lang, tricycle. Jeep.
Sa ano? Sa Bigan, Lawag meron.
Ano ba?
Mura
Shopping
mura lang doon.
Mga sale niya, waiting on.
Ano video mo?
Waiting on niya.
Pag doon na po Santiago, palitan. Is a big horse? No?
Small lang daw.
No right turn daw eh. Bakit nag-right turn ka?
Low maintenance yan eh. Ang kabayo mo. Sa kanila yata. Walang mamahal sa gastos nila sa Kalisak.
Mayroon ba kayong kotse sa katedral?
Meron.
Yun.
Bakit?
One of the very historical this area. During Japanese time, 100,000 Filipinos were victim here. 100,000 buried here, this area. They are innocent civilians killed by the Japanese. That is a brutal episode in the history of this area. Gaano kahaba yung ano nyo? Ano ba gusto nyo? Baba ng baba? Ano gusto nyo? Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Okay.
Pupunta tayo sa
Kasi po-
Santiago, di ba?
Oo. Kasi marami yan. Marami magandang view. Pagka bumaba kayo ng bababa, ang presyo nun, 200 isa. Kasi mag-iintay ka dito. Tapos patugan nyo. Kasi ikotin din naman natin lahat yun. Kahit tayo
Kaya magdadrive na lang ako. Doon na lang. Bababa ko na lang sila.
Hindi, kahit di kayo po ba, ikotin natin lahat yan.
Kaya mabayo.
Ito yung Spanish house. During Spanish time. All room, bed, the Spaniards before the inside. Lahat ng gamit nila nandyan.
Nandiyan pa?
Oh! Now, museum already. Nasa Manila Museum.
Ayun tamayos eh. Catering.
Ano yan? Branch lang yan. Office lang yan.
Anong simbahan to?
The oldest church in the Philippines. San Agustin.
San Agustin.
Ah, ito yung Church.
Oh. So you know the biggest well in the Philippines inside.
Wedding na
It's taken down in the 18th century because Spanish might build our too.